Been there, done that.
Now, I already know that some of you guys are going to leave me a comment or you're going to text me telling me why you think this brother has not moved home yet. All I have to say is be nice. This is the YBAngry channel where we show couples how to stay together one issue at a time by playing the YBAngry game to settle most any disagreement with the one they love in just minutes. No fuss, no drama. It's just the game. This week's episode is...
Should I relocate to Georgia?
My name is Rod Jeter, and here we go. There's a list of recorded issues at the bottom of the description. The video that you or someone you know needs to see might already be there. Why be angry? We have to decide who's going to be player A and who's going to be player B for the entire game.
I'll be B.
Both players will use the This One detail cards to write down all the details to support their position on this issue. Only fill in sections 1, 2, and 3. Use as many cards as needed.
Frustrated. And I don't understand some of the things you do. I can't comprehend. I tell you the truth, I'm trying hard as I can. I'm so confused while we keep arguing.
Mr. Michael, because you're not here, I see the stress this causes both of us.
Yes.
It's a 10.
A 10. Okay, Mary, what I hear you saying to me is us being apart, me being in North Carolina, is putting instrumental stress on both of us. Is that what you're saying, love?
Mm-hmm.
You circle, it is or is not true.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How relevant is it to you? It doesn't have to be my number. It has to be your number.
Yes, your number.
Right.
Please be honest.
That's a 10. I hear what you're saying, and I don't want to give you any more stress.
So what you're saying to me is, you hear me saying that it's stress and that you get it. Is that right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now you guys talk about this detail as it relates to the issue.
Okay.
Doesn't matter who starts.
You're A.
I understand the stress, the relevance of it, and how it affects both of us. It's not good health-wise. It's not good for our relationship.
But it's still there.
Yes, it is. And actually, it's up to me to make the connection, coming back to relocate.
Right. You've been
Yes.
saying the same thing for 10 years. I'm sorry.
I know, but that is factual, though.
Yeah, but stress takes off 10 years of your life, 8 to
Yes.
10 years of your life. That's statistically.
Right.
And we're both stressed, and it's continuing. It's really impacting me. I don't know how you stress because you don't share. So I don't know. But you say you hear me. You say it's on you.
Yes.
But there's no action. There never is action.
Right. But the downfall is I can see the effect it's having on me and you both.
But if you say it's in your control, why don't you do anything about it?
It's not as simple as you think it is.
How you know what I'm thinking?
Well,
There you go again.
No, it's not that here I go again. It's just that I be on the job board, and I've got a lot of calls. I got a lot of disappointments. A lot of times sometimes I don't share those with you, but I think I need to start sharing those.
And that's not good because I can encourage you and keep you going.
Yeah. And you always told me that sometimes age makes a difference. I was saying, does it? But
when it comes to
does.
God,
yeah.
He's the deciding factor. You just gotta go to Him. It don't take 10 years to move. Not with your credentials. So, I don't know. But you say you understand it. And that you're the one that has to do something about it.
Right.
What are you going to do about it?
I think I need to focus on something other than what I want to do to make this happen.
Ask God.
Yeah, because I'm looking for data center management. There's hardly not too many here, and I think I need to revisit doing something else besides that.
You keep saying I. Where's the spiritual component? Where's God in all of that? I'm serious. Where does He fit in?
He does. I pray to Him every night. Every night.
And he's not responding.
Well, I'm not gonna say he's not responding, because sometimes I wake up 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and I'll pray to him again. I don't know if he's waking me up to, hey,
Probably. Yeah, but then you write down what he's saying when he wakes you up. There's messages there. You just got to make sure you hear them. I mean, because soon you'll be retiring. I think that's what you had set on your mind anyhow, that you were going to stay there and retire, and you just didn't share that with me. I really believe that.
No, that's definitely not true.
But how would I know? That's what it looks like.
That's why I should be here.
But you're not.
No.
I believe you won't tell me the truth, but I really believe that was your plan.
No.
It had to be, Mike.
No,
it's been 10 years.
It's not my plan, because I've been through two different contracts since I've been there. So that's.
All right.
It? You guys both finish?
I'm finished because he says that he has to do it. I don't see him doing it. I don't have a dog in the fight. I don't have no say so.
I feel better because I'm getting to express my emotions without any anger, and I'm releasing my true emotions.
Okay, I feel better because during this interaction, I appreciate no anger and shutting down and running off without discussing it.
Mary's on your side of the page, but it's a step that you both have to agree on.
Okay.
Twice. So the first yes or no is, was there progress with this one detail? Do you feel like you guys made any progress?
I think we made progress discussing it without being on a 10. So I think we made progress because we talked about it, and you admit that you hear me and that you understand and that you realize that maybe, just maybe, it is stress on both of us.
Yes.
Because you have never ever talked about it. The stress.
Yes.
Never.
Okay.
So circle yes.
Yeah, I think we made progress.
And the next yes or no is, was there enough progress to win the game?
Well, I think we agree that you need to relocate.
Yes,
so there's
but-
no disagreement with that. I think there's so much in between because you're not here.
Yes.
So that issue, we're winning at knowing that is a problem.
Yes.
And that has to somehow get rectified.
All right. So we need to keep going.
Going where?
With the cars. If you haven't resolved it. Yeah.
We won't
I
resolve.
mean, we are going in the right direction. We can't resolve me getting here, but we can get to agreement by going,
So we
discussing.
agree that you should have been here, or you should relocate to Georgia.
Yes.
You sure you agree on that?
Yes, I agree 100%.
Okay.
Maybe 110.
I asked that because you agree. Okay.
What does that mean? I'm not sure what that means.
What it means is he agrees. I'm just wondering if he agrees now, or has he always agreed? Have you always agreed? Because you're not here.
Right.
And we don't
right.
talk about it.
That is the one of the bigger points, because I agreed I should be here, but I'm not here. But yet.
But at least if we
Right.
would talk about it, we would
Right.
feel better.
Yes.
Instead of fighting about it.
Yes.
That's not going to get you here.
No.
That's the stress.
That's the stress. Exactly.
If you ask me, I think they've won already. Game over. But they had a lot more to say. Click on this link to see part 2 of Should He Move Back to Georgia? Until next week, YBAngry, just play.